Hi, I'm Rosalie, and in this small video I would like to show you how you can set up your Booxi business booking rules, which mainly determines how your customers can book online with you. When you're in My Business, click on Booking Rules. Here you can disable the visibility of your opening hours on your booking page. You can adjust the delay of when the SMS or email reminders are sent to your customer, for example 90 minutes before the appointment time. Setting your approval mode to automatic will save you time, while manual approval allows you to review every booking prior to confirmation. The reservation approval mode is automatic, but can be set to delay the confirmation message until the required online payment is completed. Here you can allow your customer to modify or cancel their booking from the confirmation and reminder emails. The modification delay determines until when the customer can modify or cancel. You can customize the cancellation and payment policy text displayed at online booking. If you don't, Booxi will provide one by default. When enabled, this option will automatically cancel any unpaid booking whenever a payment was requested at online booking and not completed within 15 minutes. The limit of time before allows you to control last-minute bookings, and the limit of time in advance avoids you having appointments booked too far ahead, just in case you have limited visibility on your upcoming availabilities. Every time an appointment or a group event is completed, certain actions are automated. You can complete each booking manually or set the completion to automatic after a delay past the event end time. When available, this option allows you to automatically schedule an appointment recall message to remind your customer that it is time to book again. Enable the preferred personnel selection to track per appointment whether a specific person was requested by the client or the assigned personnel was automatically dispatched. You can enable and customize the referral question, which will be asked every time a new customer books online. This allows you to specify which is your default language, as well as adding languages for which you can provide translations. You can enable automated thank you messages, which are sent for each completed appointment. You can also customize the text below, otherwise a default message will be sent. Enabling this will automatically set each new customer to subscribe to newsletter, and this information will be included in your client list export. Thereafter, you can use that information with any mailing solutions. You can disable the invoice option if you already use a POS, else this feature will allow you to create receipts from appointments as well as sell products. Here you can set the minimum mandatory information required from a customer to book online. You can also capture online payment for bookings using an existing e-commerce shopping cart. Some integration on your end will be required, and you can read more about this feature online in our blog or help page. Don't forget to click on Save. This concludes our quick overview of the business booking rules in Booxi. Check out more videos to get an in-depth look at specific features. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.